Well, shit. You know what, I thought playing Monopoly would be really kind of fun, but, like, y'all are trying to kill each other, so, like, I think we should just stop playing Monopoly from now on. Anyway, why y'all seem so happy about this anyway?
It's because we wanted to see our master hard at work.
Like, no, actually, like, I played Fortnite with y'all before, and, like, y'all hated me, so, like, I'm really confused. And anyway, but, like, wait, did I forget to pay my taxes? Oh. Well, thanks, Bubble. But, like, low-key, I'm not really having fun with y'all anymore. It seems that you are trying to... Where's the old man?
He's definitely not doing illegal stuff or anything.
I'm gonna just go check if he's doing drugs or anything.
We think you're gay.
What the skibidi?
Isn't it obvious? You've been acting real zesty with Jackson Kinger a lot, and it's really weird.
You buffoon! I'm not gay.
Yes you are. You literally said you loved Jax yesterday. I saw you with a body pillow of Jax, and you were kissing it. And that's weird.
But what about my wife, Pomni?
I think you mean husband, because we know you do not have a wife, bro.
Shut the fuck up.
You don't let us get in relationships or anything like that. It's so annoying.
Silence, non-binary.
How very dare you, you stupid AI slut.
But a moment.
You also favor the male people in the circus. It's like you're attracted to them. And I bet you are, too.
And on top of it all, I saw you kiss.
That's it! I'm deleting Tumblr accounts!
What the hell? Gummy Gill? What the hell? Gummy Gill? Ah, shit! Oh, let go of me!
Oh, why am I recreating the scene from Toy Story 2, bro?
Yoink. You gosh diddly darn wet napkins! All I wanted was the dog piece in Monopoly, but you took it from me. Now I'm going to have to end you little butt nuggets. But my cheese.
What the fart?